it's Sue Kalberg with Ken's 5, and I am in Center Point, Texas, and as you can see, I'm at Central Provisions with my friend Katie. Katie, what are we doing here? Let's go. Let's walk and talk.
Okay, let's
work here.
Walk and talk. We are trying to organize volunteers that are coming into the community to help clean up. And there's two kind of different types of cleanup and volunteer. We have search and rescue, which is super well organized right now, and those guys are doing a fantastic job. And those guys are going to the Center Point Volunteer Fire Department. But we also have a lot of civilian volunteers that want to come and help clean up houses. There's a lot of food distribution and water distribution that's going on. And so we are bringing those civilian volunteers to Central Provisions, which is right on 480 in downtown Center Point. We have a list of things that people can help with, and we would love all the help we can get.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna hang these on the porta potty so people can see.
If you want to get a message to somebody, you send it to the porta potty.
That's right. Porta potty.
Texans helping Texans.
That's right.
That's who we are, right?
That's right. We come together. We come together when we need to, or all the time.
Stay with us across all our platforms, Ken's 5 family, because we are trying to be everywhere and everything to everybody, because this is the most important thing going on in our world right now. Stay with us across our platforms. Go get that Ken's 5 Plus app on your TV, because we're putting a lot of content over there. You know, we've got so much stuff it won't all fit on TV. So if you get the Ken's 5 Plus app, you'll get a lot more stuff that you really want to see.
And I want to say too, the fire station is full of people. There's a lot of traffic, a lot of the fire station was hit pretty hard with the flood, and so we're trying to keep that kind of a search and rescue area. So if you're coming into the community and you want to volunteer and you want to help with distributed food or cleaning up houses, please come to Central Provisions, not the fire station. Thank you.
You heard it first here. If you're coming in, look, I'm going to show it to you. Oh, I got the microphone over here. Give me the microphone. I'm going to take the microphone out. I just want to show it to you. Just want to show you Central Provision. We're on the main drag here in Center Point. So if you come into downtown Center Point, it's right here on the main drag. You can't miss it. So if you're just an ordinary person who wants to, clean up some stuff or whatever, this is the place she's talking about, Central Provisions. Be here or be square. Sue Kalberg, Ken's 5. It's Sue Kalberg here at the Center Point Volunteer Fire Department, and this is a beehive of activity. We're just going to take a walk. I've been given permission to not talk to anybody, but just tell you all the good work that is going on here, because this is incredible. This fire station was completely overwhelmed by flood water Friday morning. The whole place was torn asunder. This just one little tiny example. These guys, rescue dummies, they call them Rescue Randy. You see how they're covered in mud? That's what happened during the flood Friday morning. This whole area was inundated, but guess what happened? Volunteers showed up here and they washed the whole place down. They completely rewired it. All the electricity is new. All of the lighting is new. Everything is new. In one night, y'all. Look at this. Look at this, this is an air compressor. They said, look at where the water was. Look how high the water is, taller than me. But they renewed it in one night. And now look at what it is. There's brand new boots. There's brand new gloves. Chainsaws in the box. Bar, oil, fuel for chainsaws. More fuel for chainsaws. You need more gas? You've got it. And then look at, oh my gosh, that's a whole pallet full of food. Whole boxes full of toilet paper. Volunteers that are serving up the sandwiches as fast as they can make them. Look at these people are sweating their brains out in here because there's fans, no air conditioning, open bays. Look at all the food, look at all the donations that have been pouring in after these people were completely decimated. Everybody that I've talked to said, there's nothing surprising about this. because this is the way Texans are. This is the way Texans respond, and this is the way people are proud of each other, right? Right. Yes, ma'am. That is it. Look at this. You know what? These people come in here, they grab some food, and as fast as they can wolf it down, mostly they're on the way back out of the building. And you know what? It's going to go on like this as long as it needs to. Look at all that. This, y'all, is the bounty of Texans in Center Point, where they lost their own fire station while they were out saving lives. Sue Calberg, Times 5.
I've been here all my life, and it's never been this high. A lot of it's going to, equipment and so forth is gone. I don't know what all we lost. Oh, it's amazing that we were surprised that we had so many people coming to help us, and it was really wild. And right now we've got people from all over everywhere. Half these people, I don't know where they came from. We've got food everywhere in the world. We got food in there. We got food out here. It's just amazing. That's something like this guy coming there. We've got so many trucks coming in with trailers, and a lot of them are four-wheelers down there picking up trash. They're trying to move all the limbs and logs and every trees. They're still looking for people. They're still, I don't know how many he's got. We're still missing. We really appreciate what they're doing for us. It's like I say, it's amazing to me that how many people have showed up here to help us. And we finally told them we don't need any more food.
All right, thank you.
We don't need this. We don't need ice. We probably best off you give it from now on. Give us a check, and we can put that in the savings, and we can use other stuff we need. We didn't even know it was going to get as high as it did. They let us know pretty quick. With just a couple of hours, it went from nothing to way up 30 feet. It was really, really fast. We were trying to get as people as we can. Of course, there were so many people coming down. There was people coming down. The one lady we picked out of the tree up here, she came all the way from the other side of Ingram. She followed all the way down the river. How she managed, I don't know.
How far do you think that is? 14, 15 miles?
Oh, at least between 15 and 20 miles that she came on the river, because the river doesn't go the same place as Highway 27 does. So
then the water came up and it got in the fire station.
Oh yes, it was. I've been here all my life, and it's never been this high. When we first built this station, it was just the slab. The building wasn't even there, and water got in it then. But it was just like 6 inches above the floor.
But Friday morning,
it was like 10 feet inside the building. This is as high as it's ever been that anybody knows.
And you came in with fire hoses and hosed it out, and then what happened?
Well, after it came back down, we had mud like 6 inches, 8 inches deep that we had to shovel out first and then wash what was left out. The bathrooms, of course, water got up in the bathrooms also. We had to wash all that stuff. The office, we had to take all that stuff out.
You lost some gear.
Oh, you lost a bunch of gear. Some of it we'll be able to clean up and go, but a lot of it's going to equipment and so forth is gone. I don't know what all we lost. We haven't even inventoried yet.
You've been busy.
We've been pretty busy, yeah.
And then some people showed up and said, "Let us help."
Oh, we've
got
overnight. We're just people yeah. Oh, people came. We know where it came from. We came people from the other side of San Antonio, over by Uvalde. They're just coming from everywhere.
And they redid the firehouse.
Pretty much cleaned everything out. It's everything. Fortunately, before it got high, we got all the trucks out. So we didn't lose any trucks or anything like that, but a bunch of equipment and stuff we lost. So
But they made
it's
sure
just a
that
matter
the
of time.
electricity was safe and
Yes, it took a while. I can't remember if it's the next day that we cleaned everything out and they got the power back on, which was great.
what is your message for the people of Texas and beyond who are here offering hope?
We really appreciate what they're doing for us. It's like I say, it's amazing to me that how many people have showed up here to help this. And we finally told them we don't need any more food. We don't need this. We don't need ice. We probably best off you giving from now on, give us a check. And we can put that in the savings and we can use other stuff we need.
Because this is not over.
Oh no, it's not over. It's not over. But like I say, for like the porta potties, we got umpteen different 2 or 3 different companies bringing porta potties. We had like right over here, you got a massage and stretch people. We just got everybody in the world helping out, and it's amazing how many people is helping us out.
God bless everyone.
Everyone, every single one, and I really appreciate you helping us out. Thank you.